Hello, my friend. This is the Sarika waterfall in Nakhon Nayok province, Thailand. 100 kilometers from Bangkok. You can visit very easily because it's short way only, not long, only 1 hour from Bangkok. It's very nice, the mountain, and very nice of waterfall. You can come here, but you maybe you spare for foreigner 200 baht. And for Thai only 40 baht. Only you can visit every time, everywhere in Nakhon Nayok province. Very nice place. Okay.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Paano mag-ano? Dito lang. Oh, it's okay. Just sit down here. Wow.
Video.
Oh.
Video, not phone. Video. This one I record.
Kid! Hello!
Video.
Reporter.
Okay.
Sabi pa na sa'yo?
Yeah, video.